Getting started. 1. Listen and read.
Unit 4. My neighbourhood.
Page 38. Getting started. Activity 1. Listen and read.
Wow, we're in Hoi An. I'm so excited.
Me too.
Yes, it's so historic. So, where shall we go first?
Let's go to Chua Khao.
Well, the map says Tan Kee House is nearer. Shall we go there first?
Okay, sure.
Shall we go by bicycle?
No, let's walk there.
Okay. First cross the road, turn right, and then go straight.
Okay, let's go.
Wait. What's up, Fom? Where are we now? I think we're lost.
Oh no! Look, there's a girl. Let's ask her.
Excuse me, we're lost. Can you tell us the way to Tan Kee House?
Tan Kee House? Keep straight, then turn right. But it's quicker to turn right here, then turn left.
Thank you so much.
My pleasure.
Nick, let's hurry.
3. Match the places below with the pictures. Then listen, check and repeat the words.
Activity 3. Match the places below with the pictures. Then listen, check and repeat the words.
1. E. Square. 2. H. Palace. 3. F. Cathedral. 4. C. Memorial. 5. G. Art gallery. 6. A. Statue. 7. B. Railway station. 8. D. Temple.